Hello everyone, my name is Sadra Malati. You can call me Lati. I'm number one. Number two, my pharmacy study and my future career. First, environment. My pharmacy study is a half part of my life. I chose this major because I believe healthy is more valuable than anything else. Study Studying pharmacy is harder than my high school at school days, but it is the most interesting journey I've ever had. Currently, I am learning about complex commercial formulas. I treat my study with discipline. I spend about 5 hours a day reading. Why? Because I want to be professional pharmacy. In in the future, I hope to open my own pharmacy. Number three, my supportive family. Secondly, I have my wonderful family. They are my biggest support system. My mother is the kindest person I know. I was called them when I feel stressed with lab rep- reports. I treat them with respect because their love is more expensive than any medicine. And number five, my darling boyfriend. Next in my darling boyfriend, he is taller than me and very pioneer. He often helps my study or reminds me to eat when I am busy. Even a town me are both busy, he is the best listener when I have a long day at the campus laboratory. Number five, online games. Lastly, I love playing mobile games. It is a simple hobby to realize my stress. Something games are captioner than going to cafe. Thank you.